Now in this video we will discuss what is SEO audit. Okay, so an SEO audit helps to find out what could be done to improve ranking on search engines so that consumer could find the website with greater ease. Okay, so why we use this SEO audit? There are different SEO audit tools available in the on internet. Okay, but why we use such a SEO audit? Okay, so these tools helps you to improve your ranking on the search engine so that consumer could find out your website very easily. Okay, means within minimum keywords they can find out your websites. Okay, also this SEO audit tools gives you proper result so that you can improve your website easily. See, there are two free SEO audit tools. First one is the SEO Meter and second is SEO Optimer. These are the two free SEO audit tools. Using these tools, you can easily improve your website so that your website will get higher ranking on the search engine. See, these are the different points which are related to SEO audit. So while doing SEO audit, it recovers all these points. That is, it checks all these points within your website to improve your website and to get higher ranking on the search engine for your website. So what are the points? First one is link building, then sitemap optimization, software development, then web designing, then feedback, strategy, social network, content, traffic monitoring, ranking, then website optimization and keyword research. So these free SEO audit tools helps you to find out your result. It also helps to develop or improve your website in such areas. Okay, so it also helps you to find out proper keywords. Okay, it also helps you to how you design your websites. Okay, and one is the website optimization. So do you know what are the key factors of website optimization? In the last video we already see this website optimization factors. Okay, so the first tool is SEO Optimer tool. So this SEO Optimer tool is free SEO audit tool. It is freely available on the internet. Second point, it is used to perform detailed SEO analysis. So using this Optimer tool, you can audit your website and it gives proper result and it provides whole analysis of your website. Okay, then next is there are two URLs, see, which is on the screen. First one is the seometer.com, which is used to download SEO Meter audit tool, and second one is the seooptimer.com. Okay, so using these two URLs we can download audit tools which are freely available on the internet. As you can see on the screen, this is the first search bar, okay, in the SEO audit tool. So this is the first diagram. So when you enter your website, okay, then it analyze your website within 3 minutes and gives you the result. Then this second diagram, it shows the home page of SEO Optimer audit tool. Okay, in this just enter your website link, then click on audit button, then it shows you the overall result. Okay, the arrow shows the result of your website. Okay, what it analyze using your web links, it shows the result. Okay, and here in the example it shows the result, that is your page is very good but you have 16 improvement recommended. So after analyzing your website, it shows the result that your web page needs 16 improvement. Okay, so after improving these 16 points, okay, then your website is very good. Okay, the next diagram shows overall analysis using SEO Optimer. So it shows the result. Okay, that is your page could be better. Okay, and you have 16 improvement recommended. Then below that there are 5 circles. Okay, then first circle it shows B plus grade, that is SEO. Then second is D, that is usability of your website. Then third one is the D plus, that is performance of your website, and social, that is F minus. So here improvement is required. Then A plus in case of security. So this shows the overall analysis of your website. Next is the detailed analysis of SEO Optimer. So in this figure it shows the overall improvement of your website. Okay, so as you can see on the screen it shows the B plus, that your SEO could be better. So there are 16 improvement needed. So first one is the title tag, and for the result for this title tag is cross. Okay, so there is something error in this title tag. Okay, so it shows you have title tag but ideally it should be shortened to be to between 10 to 17 characters including spaces. Okay, so there is error in this title tag, that's why there is cross symbol. Then second is the meta tag description, and there is a right symbol. Okay, so your page has a meta description of optimal length, that is within 70 to 320 characters. Okay, but this is the applicable. Okay, no need to change. So like this it shows you overall instruction of your website where you have to improve your website. Now the last point is audit result of SEO optimizer will have following details. So after analyzing your website, that SEO auditor tools shows you different results. Okay, and using that results you can improve your website easily. Okay, so these are the certain points. First one, overall ranking of the website. So after improving, it increases your ranking of your website. Okay, then recommendation for improvement. As you know, we already see that it shows the recommendation. Okay, where you have to improve your website, whether it is title tag or meta description. Okay, then next is the search engine optimization. Is there any need to improve in search engine optimization? Then usability of website, then performance of your website, also the social links. Okay, means how many social links you use in your website, and it connected to the social communities like Facebook, Twitter. Okay, then next is the security parameters. Okay, which are the security parameters you already use in your website, which protocols. Okay, then next, header content recommendation, that is title and meta description. So how you restrict your title, web page title and meta tag description, how you describe your website in meta tag description. Then next is the body content. So it contains header tags, then body content recommendation, keyword consistency, and amount of content in the page. If you are using multiple images, videos, then it requires longer time to upload it on the web server. Why? Because it requires too much time. Keyword consistency means you all are using some keywords in your website, but all these keywords are related to your website. Okay, these informations are related to your website. Then next is the links. Number of backlinks, broken links, friendly links, and on page links means how many links you are using in your web page. You know the backlinks. Okay, for promoting our websites we use these backlinks. And broken links, sometimes what happen, there are, we use some web links. Okay, but sometimes due to some internet connection or any other problem, it doesn't gives us proper result, so that's why we use these broken links. Then friendly links and on page links means these are the user friendly links, and also on page links means it gives the result on the same page. Then technology list, which is used in the website. Okay, which are the different technology we use in a website. Okay, so in this second chapter we discuss all about SEO, that is search engine optimization. I hope all of you understand all these points. Okay, thank you.